Have you ever felt like the world just doesn't make sense? Like something deeper is missing? Something that could bring clarity, peace, or purpose? If so, you're not alone, and you're not wrong to feel that way. For over 2,500 years, Buddhist teachings have helped people see the world and themselves more clearly. Not through blind belief, but through awareness, experience, and wisdom. Today I want to share with you 10 powerful Buddhist concepts that have the potential to transform your life. Some are profound, some are simple, but each one can open a door to peace if you're willing to walk through it. Let's begin. 1. Impermanence, anicca. Everything changes. The seasons shift, our bodies age, emotions rise and fall. Nothing in this life stays the same, and yet most of our suffering comes from clinging to what we wish would last. Impermanence reminds us change is not the enemy, it's the nature of life. When we embrace this truth, we stop fighting the flow and start moving with it. Loss becomes part of growth. Endings create space for beginnings. Instead of saying, "I wish this moment would last forever," try saying, "I'm grateful I get to experience it at all." 2. Non-self, anatta. Who are you? Not your job, not your looks, not even your thoughts. In Buddhism, the idea of a fixed, unchanging self is an illusion. This doesn't mean you don't exist. It means your identity is fluid, shaped by causes, conditions, and choices. You are not a static thing, but a living process. Understanding non-self isn't about erasing who you are. It's about letting go of the labels and limitations that keep you small. It's about realizing you don't have to be who you were yesterday. You can evolve. 3. Suffering, dukkha. Life includes suffering. We can't avoid it. We lose people we love. We deal with pain, disappointment, loneliness. But here's the key. Suffering isn't punishment. It's a teacher. Dukkha is the wake-up call that says, there's more to life than this. It invites us to look deeper, to find peace not in perfect conditions, but in how we meet them. When we stop running from suffering and start listening to it, we begin to heal. 4. The middle way extremes don't lead to freedom. Whether it's self-indulgence or harsh denial, both can trap us. The Buddha discovered a path between the extremes, the middle way. It's about balance, about choosing what's wise, not just what's easy or what feels good. In your own life, ask yourself, am I swinging from one extreme to another? What does balance look like here? The middle way doesn't demand perfection. It asks for presence. 5. Mindfulness, sati. Mindfulness is more than just a buzzword. It's the foundation of awakening. To be mindful is to be fully here, aware of your body, your thoughts, your feelings, without judgment. It's seeing clearly, moment by moment. When you're mindful, you stop living on autopilot. You begin to respond instead of react. Life slows down. Colors seem brighter, and peace becomes possible even in the middle of chaos. Try this. Take one breath. Feel it fully. You just practiced mindfulness. 6. Interdependence, paticca samuppada. Nothing exists independently. You are not separate from the world. You are shaped by it, and you shape it in return. The food you eat was grown by someone. The clothes you wear were sewn by hands you'll never meet. Every smile, every act of kindness ripples outward. Interdependence teaches us compassion. When we realize how connected we are, we stop seeing others as them. We start seeing them as us. 7. Karma, action and consequence. Karma is often misunderstood. It's not cosmic revenge. It's not, you get what you deserve. In Buddhism, karma means action and the results that follow. Every thought, word, and deed plants a seed. That seed grows, and what you cultivate, you eventually experience. It's not about blaming yourself, it's about empowering yourself. Karma says, you have a say in the direction your life takes. Sow peace, reap peace. 8. Letting go, upadana. Clinging is suffering, whether it's clinging to people, outcomes, or identities. When we hold on too tightly, we create pain. Letting go doesn't mean you don't care. It means you care wisely. You stop trying to control the uncontrollable. Think of a clenched fist. Now open your hand. That's letting go. What can you release today that's been weighing you down? 9. Compassion, karuna. Compassion is the natural response to suffering, your own and others. It's not pity, it's connection. Buddhism teaches that true wisdom is never cold. Real insight sees the pain of the world and says, may you be free. Start with yourself. Speak kindly to the parts of you that hurt. Then extend that same kindness outward. The more compassion you offer, the more healing you create. 10. Awakening, Bodhi. The ultimate goal of Buddhism is awakening, not to become someone else, but to realize who you've always been beneath the noise. Awakening isn't reserved for monks in mountain caves. It's available in everyday life, in washing dishes, walking your dog, listening to a friend. It begins when you pause, breathe, and see things as they really are. Closing. These 10 concepts aren't just ideas. They're invitations. Invitations to see more clearly, to feel more deeply, to live more fully. So which one spoke to you most today? Was it impermanence, compassion, letting go? Whatever it was, hold it gently in your heart. Let it guide you, not just for this video, but for the days ahead. Because the journey doesn't begin with mastering all the teachings. It begins with a single breath. Thank you for watching. If this resonated with you, leave a comment, like, or share it with someone who might need it. And remember, peace is not something you find. It's something you return to, one mindful moment at a time.